Ever noticed how your eyes feel after a day spent scrolling through screens? In this digital age, our eyes are under siege, but what if the antidote lies in the simplicity of your spice rack? Yes, we're talking about herbs, nature's own healers. Imagine tapping into the power of vibrant herbs, cultivated from the earth's embrace, now ready to become your eye's most powerful allies. Today, we're not just sharing any tips. We're revealing 8 extraordinary herbs that do more than spice up your meals. They're ancient keys to unlocking clearer, healthier vision. Welcome to Nutritide, your guide through nature's best-kept secrets for eye wellness. As we embark on this journey together, here's what we'll explore. 1. The vital role of vision. Discover why our eyes are more than just windows to the soul, but essential tools for experiencing the world. These miraculous conduits to the soul stand at the forefront of our every adventure, painting our perceptions with vibrant hues and shapes, enabling us to connect with the world in deeply meaningful ways. 2. The forgotten guardians. Unveiling the irony of how we often overlook our vision in our wellness routines, despite its crucial importance. It's a striking paradox that we cherish the ability to perceive the beauty around us, yet frequently forget to care for the very organ that allows us this gift. 1. Modern threats to eye health. Identifying the relentless stressors of today's world. From the glow of digital screens that captivate our attention day and night to environmental pollutants and the inevitable march of time. These forces can manifest as common discomforts or escalate into more severe conditions, highlighting the critical need for proactive care and protection of our vision. 2. A beacon of hope. Introducing the concept of natural herbal remedies that promise not just protection, but an enhancement of your eye health. Imagine discovering a way to not only protect but enhance your eye health, using the gifts nature has laid out for us. 1. The power of herbs. Diving into each of the 8 potent herbs that can nourish, protect, and possibly improve your vision. These botanical wonders are powerhouses of benefits, brimming with potent antioxidants and vital nutrients tailored for our eyes. Prepare to be amazed by how these ancient remedies can be seamlessly integrated into your daily life for a future with brighter, clearer days. Let's dive into this verdant oasis of eye health together. Welcome to the heart of herbal wisdom for eye health. As we transition from the realm of modern threats to eye health, let's prepare for a voyage into the verdant oasis of herbal wisdom. Our journey will take us through the lush fields of ancient remedies, where each plant whispers a secret of time-tested wellness. These are not just mere plants, they are the forgotten guardians of our vision, silently standing their ground against the onslaught of modern stressors. From the rich, deep blues of bilberries to the vibrant yellows of turmeric, each herb is a beacon of hope, radiating the promise of not just protection, but an enhancement of your eye health. As we delve into this botanical paradise, we'll discover how to seamlessly integrate these potent herbs into our daily lives. Whether it's a sprinkle of turmeric in your morning smoothie or a soothing cup of green tea in the afternoon, these natural remedies can illuminate our path towards a future of brighter, clearer days. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed. First on our list, bilberry, a close relative of the blueberry. This small but mighty berry has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially for its benefits to eye health. The power of bilberry lies in its rich concentration of anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that can protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. It's these anthocyanins that give bilberries their deep blue color, and they play a crucial role in eye health. They help to strengthen blood vessels in the eye, improve circulation, and protect retinal cells, which are all vital for maintaining good vision. Some studies have even suggested that bilberries could help slow the progression of eye diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts. But how do you incorporate this superfood into your diet? Well, it's easier than you might think. Bilberries can be eaten fresh, just like blueberries. They're a great addition to your morning smoothie or yogurt, or even as a snack on their own. If fresh bilberries are hard to come by, don't worry. You can also find them in supplement form or as a dried fruit. Just remember to check the label for any added sugars or preservatives. Bilberries not only offer a range of health benefits, but they're also delicious. So, the next time you're at the supermarket or health store, why not give them a try? So, don't forget to include bilberry in your diet for healthier eyes. Next, we have Ginkgo Biloba, an ancient plant that's been used for centuries. A marvel of nature, Ginkgo Biloba is often referred to as a living fossil. Its resilience and longevity are legendary, with some trees in China believed to be over 1,000 years old, But the real magic of this plant lies in its leaves, packed with powerful antioxidants and beneficial compounds. One of the key benefits of Ginkgo biloba for eye health is its ability to improve blood flow to the eyes. Enhanced circulation carries vital nutrients and oxygen to the eyes, promoting overall eye health and potentially slowing down age-related vision decline. It's also thought to protect against oxidative stress, a major contributor to common eye conditions like macular degeneration and glaucoma. So, how can you introduce Ginkgo biloba into your diet? It's simpler than you might think. Ginkgo biloba is often available in capsule form as a dietary supplement. You can also find it in teas or as an extract to add to your favorite recipes. Just remember, as with any supplement, it's important to talk with your healthcare provider before starting a new regimen. So there you have it. Ginkgo biloba, not just a survivor from the dinosaur age, but a powerful ally in maintaining eye health. By enhancing blood flow and fighting oxidative stress, it's a natural way to help keep your eyes sharp and clear. Incorporate Ginkgo biloba in your diet and feel the difference in your vision. Have you ever cooked with saffron? This spice is not just for flavoring. Indeed, saffron, the golden spice derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, is renowned for its distinctive taste and aroma. But did you know that this culinary treasure also packs a punch when it comes to vision health? Saffron contains certain plant compounds that are powerful antioxidants, including crocin and crocodin. These antioxidants protect the cells in our eyes from damage by harmful free radicals. Research suggests that saffron may slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration, a common eye condition that causes vision loss in the center field of vision. Some studies have even found that saffron can improve visual acuity in people with early macular degeneration. But how can we incorporate this golden spice into our diet? Well, saffron is versatile. You can add it to a variety of dishes, from risottos and soups to teas. Just a pinch can transform a simple dish into an exotic delight. And remember, when it comes to saffron, a little goes a long way. So the next time you're cooking, why not add a dash of saffron? Not only will you be adding an extra layer of flavor to your dish, you'll also be giving your eyes a health boost. Saffron, a spice that not only adds flavor to your dishes but also enhances your vision. Turmeric, the golden spice, is our next herb. Known for its vibrant hue and aromatic flavor, turmeric is a staple in many kitchens worldwide. But did you know that it also holds a golden ticket to better eye health? This warm, earthy spice is packed with curcumin, a compound that is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties can work wonders for our eyes, an organ that's constantly exposed to light and environmental pollutants. Every blink, every glance, every squint can generate oxidative stress, potentially damaging our delicate eye tissues. Here's where turmeric steps in. The curcumin in turmeric can help reduce this oxidative stress, shielding our eyes from harm. What's more, inflammation can be a root cause of various eye conditions, such as dry eye syndrome, uveitis, and even age-related macular degeneration. The potent anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric can help tame this inflammation, providing relief and promoting healthier eyes. But how do we incorporate this golden herb into our daily diet? It's simpler than you think. You can add a dash of turmeric to your soups, sprinkle it on your salads, or blend it into your smoothies. For those who prefer a warm beverage, a comforting cup of turmeric tea can be an excellent choice. Remember, a little turmeric goes a long way, so don't shy away from adding this golden spice to your meals. Who knows, it might just be the secret ingredient for your golden vision. Turmeric, a golden herb for golden vision. Green tea, a popular beverage worldwide, is next on our list. Revered for centuries in many cultures, this humble leaf brew isn't just for the tea connoisseur. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, not least of which are its potent effects on vision. What makes green tea so special? It's packed with antioxidants, substances that protect our cells from damage. Among these antioxidants are the mighty catechins. These little warriors are known to fight off oxidative stress, a key factor in many eye diseases, including macular degeneration and cataracts. But it doesn't stop there. Green tea also contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and lutein, all of which are well known for their protective effects on the eyes. These ingredients work together, creating a kind of shield that helps keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. Now you might be wondering, how do I add more green tea to my diet? It's simpler than you might think. Start your day with a cup of warm green tea instead of coffee, or enjoy it as a refreshing iced beverage on a hot afternoon. You can even use it as a base for smoothies or in cooking for an antioxidant boost. Remember, moderation is key. 2 to 3 cups a day is generally considered a healthy amount. So go ahead, steep a cup of green tea. Your eyes will thank you. Drink green tea for a refreshing boost to your eye health. Marigold, a beautiful flower, is also a powerful herb for your eyes. This vibrant bloom, often found gracing gardens with its golden hues, is more than just a pretty face. Marigold is packed with eye-healthy nutrients that can enhance your vision and protect your eyes. The secret to Marigold's eye-boosting prowess lies in its high content of two key antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These potent compounds are found in high concentrations in the macula, which is the part of your eye responsible for sharp, detailed vision. They act as a natural sunblock, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and ultraviolet rays. They also help to reduce the risk of developing macular degeneration and cataracts, two of the leading causes of vision loss. But how can you reap the benefits of this eye-friendly flower? Marigold petals can be used to brew a soothing tea, or they can be dried and ground into a powder. This powder can be added to smoothies, soups, or even sprinkled over salads for a nutrient-packed punch. Marigold supplements are also available, offering a concentrated dose of lutein and zeaxanthin. However you choose to incorporate marigold into your diet, remember that a little goes a long way. Small, regular doses can help to maintain healthy eyes and preserve your vision. So next time you pass a marigold in bloom, remember, marigold, a flower that blooms not just in your garden, but also in your vision. Fennel, a flavorful herb, is our last but certainly not least herb. This aromatic plant, with its feathery leaves and tiny yellow flowers, has much more to offer than just a delightful crunch to your salads. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to eye health. You see, fennel is rich in vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. It also contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. But that's not all. Fennel has a unique ability to potentially reduce eye pressure, a common symptom associated with glaucoma, a serious eye condition that can lead to vision loss if not properly managed. Now you may be wondering, how can I include more fennel in my diet? Well, it's easier than you might think. You can add raw fennel to your salads for a refreshing crunch, or roast it and serve as a side dish. It's also a great addition to soups and stews, and its seeds can be used as a spice or brewed into a tea. The options are endless. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by the fennel. Give it a try and your eyes will thank you. After all, nature has provided us with these wonderful herbs, and it's up to us to take advantage of their benefits. Fennel, a flavorful addition to your diet, and a friend to your eyes. We've explored some incredible herbs today, haven't we? Indeed, we've journeyed through a garden of nature's bounty, each herb with its unique properties, all aimed at preserving and enhancing the health of our eyes. Let's take a moment to revisit these treasures. Remember, the health of your eyes is in your hands, or rather on your plate. So eat well, live well, and see well. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If you found this journey through herbal wisdom for eye health enlightening, subscribe to Nutritide for more health wisdom. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share this video with friends and family to spread the word about natural eye health.